Welcome students. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to divide 3 and 4 digit dividends. So I'm gonna give you 4 examples. Let's see. So let's start with 3 digit dividends. So we have 4 and 6 to 5. When we do it is we do like regular long division. So for example, for this one we're dividing 625 divided by 4. So we do 4 times 1, 4, 6 minus 4, 2. We bring down the 2. Then 4 times 5 is 20. 22 minus 20 is 2. Does 4 goes into 2? No. So we bring down the last digit, 5. And then how many times does 4 goes into 25? 6 times. 6 times 4, 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. So remainder is 1. Let's do one more example for 3 digit. So 5, 16 and 3. Again, how many times does 3 goes into 5? 1 time. So 3 times 1, 3, 5 minus 3, 2. Bring down the 1. How many times does 3 goes into 21? 7 times. 7 times 3, 21. 21 minus 21, 0. We bring down the 6. How many times does 3 goes into 6? 2 times. So 2 times 3 is 6. Remainder 0. So remainder is 0. Now let's go into the 4 digit dividends. Once again, how many times does 5 goes into 5? 1 time. 5 times 1, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Does 5 goes into 0? No, so we bring down another digit, 8. How many times does 5 goes into 8? 1 time. 5 times 1, 5. 8 minus 5, 3. Does 5 goes into 3? No, so we bring down another digit. How many times does 5 goes into 31? 6 times. 6 times 5, 30. 31 minus 30, 1. Does 5 goes into 1? No. We bring down the last digit. 15. Does 5 goes into 15? Yes. 3 times. 15 minus 15, 0. So remainder is 0. Let's go into the last example. It's a 4 digit one, 4 digit dividend. So it would be 64, 18 divided by 3. How many times does 3 goes into 6? 2 times. 2 times 3, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Does 3 goes into 0? No. So we bring down another digit. 4. Does 3 goes into 4? Yes. 1 time. 3 times 1, 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Does 3 goes into 1? No. So we bring down another digit. 1. How many times does 3 goes into 11? 3 times. 3 times 3, 9. 11 minus 9, 2. Does 3 goes into 2? No. So we bring down another digit. How many times does 3 goes into 28? 9 times. 3 times 9, 27. 28 minus 27, 1. So remainder is 1. So that's all I wanted to teach you on this video. So we look at dividing 3 and 4 digit dividends. See you next time, students.